Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the Eureka Crystal Beads February collection, and this collection is called the Flamingo Beach Collection. So I'm very excited to share this with you. But before we open, I wanted to get through some of the info on the collection for those of you who have not seen this before. So this is not a subscription. It is a carefully and beautifully curated collection of very high quality beads and findings that are inspired by the natural world. You can purchase the entire collection, or you can purchase any individual item from the collection, and I'll get into that more as we open it up and go through it. Each collection is themed, and as I said, this is the Flamingo Beach collection, and there are several other collections. I will link them in the description box below the video, and they're all absolutely beautiful. So these are available until they sell out, and there are occasional restocks. This makes an awesome gift. Stick a bow on it, you got it, you're done. All right, so I'm going to clear this off, open it up, and then we'll take a look at all those beads. So we freed the beads, and this is what you get when you open the package. And believe you me, being in the Northeast right now, it is lovely to see this. In fact, this reminds me of Key West, and my picture on YouTube is actually taken in Key West, one of my favorite places in the world. So beautiful. This is representative of what's in this collection. So I'm going to put the picture right here, and then you get the list. And also, before I forget, all your beads come in a plastic bag, and they're wrapped in this really nice tissue. So, but I just taken it out so I don't make so much noise unwrapping everything. So I'm gonna move this pile over, and you get this little paragraph that sets the mood, and it really does. And it talks about tropical breezes and coconuts and palm fronds and the beach and, you know, the turquoise waves, and it just makes me want to be anywhere that has all of this. Okay, so let's open her up. Everything is separated by category, so we have Japanese seed beads, Czech glass, Swarovski crystal, findings. Then everything has a SKU or SKU number, and the way you use this number is you go to the Eureka Crystal Beads website, you just put in the search bar, this number in the search bar, and I do this all the time, and it pulls that exact bead up, or finding, or whatever. So that's really great, so you can access any of these beads. Now occasionally your collection may have a different bead than mine, just because, you know, they need to make a substitution now and then if they, you know, run out or whatever, but it will always be something beautiful. Also, the retail value of this is $84. It's yours for $56, so you're saving $28. I mean, seriously, this is amazing. 28 bucks, that's great. And also, if you have an account with them, which is, you know, when you give your email and you know, it tracks your orders and everything, so you can see what you've ordered and such, you get 2.5% cash back on all your orders, and free US shipping on all orders over $35. You can't beat that, right? All right, so let's go through them. So we will start with the Japanese seed beads, and we have a lot of seed beads here. Look at this. And I love that we get so many seed beads. And excuse me if I'm coughing a little bit. I'm hopefully not getting another cold. So here we go. So we have lots of Toho, and we have Miyuki as well. So I'm just going to put these in order. Let's see, 2, 3. I'm going to open them as well. I just want to get them started here. Okay. So we have 7 tubes. That's a lot of seed beads. All right, so let's go with one. So these are 11 Tohos, and it's a 2.5-inch tube, and it's quite a tube. I mean, these last forever. And this is a beautiful sort of hot pink lined crystal. You know, I don't know if I'm getting the colors right. I love guessing, and then, you know, I'm usually wrong. But I mean, the actual name. But describing it, yes, it is definitely sort of a hot pink. That is beautiful. Love. And I have sparkles on my hands. That's what that is. Okay, or a little bit of glitter from the packaging. Okay, so there's that's the hot pink lined. And then we have another Toho, and these are also, this is also a 2.5-inch tube, and this is a gorgeous corally luster. Beautiful. I love that they do these amazing color-themed and nature-themed collections, it's really gotten me into just really exploring more color in my beadwork, which is something that I've really needed to do. So this is great. All right, then we have, this one is beautiful also, a Toho and 11-0, and this is like a carnation pink, and this is also aligned, so this is a lined bead. That's gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Love. Okay. Look at those colors. I love it. And then we have a size 15-0 Toho, which I'm having trouble getting the cap off of, which is fine because I like a nice tight cap. There we go. And that's a gorgeous, gorgeous, sort of, excuse me, bright, it's like almost orangey, rusty color. Actually, I think it says light cyan ruby, so very pretty. This is a silver lined. Let's see if I can get all these guys. Okay, where's my cap? Okay, here we go. It's hard getting through the seed beads without mixing them all up. All right, so here, now we're onto the Miyuki, and these are gorgeous luster. So this is like a turquoise luster. Love. It's one of my favorite beads right there. Okay. Keep going. All these great seed beads. All right, let's move these guys over. Okay, and then we have this beautiful, this is, I think this is a Miyuki as well, 6, yes. This is a 15-0, and this is, did I say this one was an 11-0? This is a 15-0, and this is a gorgeous, like, carnation pink. I'm making kind of a mess, but look at that. That's a lined bead as well. So I love that we're getting some lines, some luster, and the colors are all coordinating. Beautiful. Okay. Let me get that over there. Okay, one last one. We've got bugle beads, and these are Miyukis, and these are gorgeous, like silver lined aqua. Love. So pretty. Look how pretty. We have to use some bugle beads. I'm going to put these over here. I have so many bugle beads, and I think it's time we started playing with those guys a little bit. All right, so the seed beads. There are a lot of seed beads. So let's go to the Czech glass. I'm just going to pull it all out, and we'll kind of go through it little by little. I already have to move my camera. All right, so here we go. So we have a 4mm fire polish, and this one is 50 pieces, and that's that beautiful sort of green turquoise green color. Gorgeous. And then we have 6mm Czech glass, and that's this gorgeous, like fiery orangey AB. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. And then we have 6mm Czech glass Drux. Did I already put those in? Oh, sorry, drop beads. 6mm Czech glass drop beads. Huh. Here, let's do this. And these are beautiful. They're a sort of a frosted blue, like an oceany blue. Gorgeous. Love drops. Put those over there. And then we have, oh, I thought these were Swarovski. They are Czech glass, Preciosa bicones. Various sizes. We have several sizes. I think we're down from like either a 2.5mm or 3, 4, and maybe a 6. Look at that gorgeous mix. And these are Preciosa, which are just as gorgeous as Swarovski. They're an amazing company. And look at that, you get 72 pieces. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right. So we'll pop those over there. And then we have 4mm round drop beads. Oh, pink. Pink. And these are beautiful. We had something similar, I think, in one of the other boxes. The one, and I used it for the cuff. This makes me want to make a cuff that is all like themed with a sunset and flamingos and water. God, gorgeous. All right, so let's pop those out. And then we have some gem duos. So we have backlit vapor. And here, they've thrown in a couple of, what I like is they've thrown in a couple of cool colors. So the blues and the greens and the aquas, and then we have this that just has a little purple. It's hard, they're all turning over on the silver side, but they're a gorgeous, gorgeous, like purpley, every color of the rainbow. Stunning. I'll put those here. And then we have gem duos in Crystal Sunset. This is gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like a sunset. It almost looks like it has purple in it, but it doesn't, but it looks like it. That's gorgeous. Love. Put those here. Okay, oh, here we go. She needs a bigger mat. Let's move over a little bit. And then we have Czech glass rondelles. These are gemstone rondelles, 50 pieces, and in the 8 grams of the gem duos. So you're getting, full size tubes of everything. So these are, oh, I'm sorry, I opened the Moby duos, so we'll go to these first. So these are Moby duos, which I've never heard of. 3 by 8 millimeter 2-hole Czech glass bead, 50 pieces. Beautiful color. This is like a blue luster. These would be fun. I'm going to have to think about using those because they're just so pretty. All right, there we go. Gorgeous. And then here we go. Czech glass gemstone rondelle beads, 50 pieces. And these are a beautiful, beautiful coral, like coral luster. That's stunning. Beautiful. Love it. All right, so let's get to the Swarovski. I mean, really, let me see if I can get my, okay, there we go. Get my picture up there a little bit. All right, so Swarovski, we have bicones. We have 20 pieces. These are 6 millimeter bicones. That's something that I haven't used a lot of. And being that we've gotten many of them in several different collections, we need to use these because the 6 millimeter is gorgeous. Look at that. Of course, that's Pacific Opal, and that's stunning. And look at that next to the Preciosa. The same. They're just so beautiful. All right, so let's pop those. We'll put those there. And then we have 12 millimeter Swarovski crystal cushion cut square rivolis. And if you saw my last video that I just recently posted, we bezeled these and made some like estate earrings. I wish I had these when I made that video because these are gorgeous. Look at that coral color. That's beautiful. And these are the Delights, they're called. They're colored on the back, and the color comes through the crystal. Look at that. You can see blues and purples, little purple in there. And I'm so mesmerized by the crystal that, I can't talk. All right, and then we have 2 14 millimeter Swarovski rivolis, and again, these are the Delights as well. And this is a very pale coral color. It's a little more colorful than what I see on my viewfinder, but in my hand, it's got a little more color, but it's a pale, beautiful coral. So these are gorgeous. So I definitely want to make those earrings out of these. And then we've got some findings. Phew. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I don't know. I see something and I get excited. So here we go. So this is the tiara cast clasp, and this is 18 millimeter. I love tiara cast. It's my favorite clasp. I use them all the time. They're very sturdy. They're very pretty, and they're affordable. So we'll put that out. And this is what I was sort of gasping at. So I'm so into cup chain. Since we did the cuff, the bead embroidery cuff, and used the cup chain. Look at this. Look at that gorgeous cup chain. And I love that this is a opaque bead. it gives it sort of a more, a less formal look, right? Look at that. That's beautiful, this sort of deep corally color with the gold. I love it. I'm so in love with cup chain. Look how pretty. That's gorgeous. All right, so where are we? We are 3.7 millimeter gold plated roller chain by the foot, 2 feet. I love all the findings, so pretty, and I love this chain. So I had a thought that we would do a tassel and use maybe bezel the Rivoli and, make the tassel out of chain instead of beads. Wouldn't that be pretty? All right, so maybe we'll think about that. And then you've got some more chain, and this is the chain I was thinking of using as the tassel because it's very fine. This is a 2 millimeter, so you have 2 feet of this as well. And I think this would be a beautiful chain, and one of these Rivolis or the round one, and just like really bead it and then use this tassel, make it a long necklace. That's on the list. All right, and then we get a free mystery gift. So your mystery gift may not be the same as my mystery gift, but this is what I got. And I'd love to hear what you get. So leave it in the comments or on Facebook. I'd love to see what you get. So I got these tile beads, and they are beautiful, sort of bright red, and they have a gold wash on them, and they're gorgeous. These are really pretty. Love. All right, there you have it. There's your Eureka Flamingo Beach collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you take a look on the website. Everything, as I said, will be linked below. All the collections linked to the website. Take a look, read about it and see if you love it. Like I said, not a subscription, just a gorgeous bunch of beads. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.